Welcome to something you should try. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, gadget fan, trendsetter, or simply crave the experience of what's next, you've come to the right place. Check out this Cool 5-piece magnetic pickup tool. It has LED lights, a flexible neck that can bend 360 degrees, and is super portable. The bright LED lights make it easy to see in dark spaces, and the telescoping handle lets you reach far. Plus, it has a hands-free magnetic base and a powerful magnetic head. And don't forget about the rotatable inspection mirrors. Drinking whiskey is about to get a whole lot cooler with this rifle gun decanter set. You'll get 4 whiskey glasses and a wooden display stand to show it in style. Just picture how awesome this will look in your bar. This handmade rifle decanter is the perfect way to kick off your drinking session with a bang. The intricate details on the gun make it a classy addition to any home bar. This rifle gun decanter is like a fancy version of a regular gun, but way less dangerous. It's a cool decoration to show off in your house or bar. The gun is empty inside, so you can use it as a unique decanter and pour in your favorite whiskey, wine, scotch, or bourbon. Tipton's compact range vise, with its folding forks and non-marring cradle, is perfect for taking on the go. It's ideal for cleaning and maintaining firearms conveniently and safely. The small design of this vise makes it super handy for cleaning your gun at the range. It can collapse down to 11 1/4 inches for easy carrying, but expands to 17 3/4 inches when you need it fully functional. It has 6 rubber feet to keep it steady and 2 gentle forks to hold your gun securely while you clean or maintain it. This vise is tough and made to last, so it'll be a reliable tool for years. It's a must-have for serious shooters who know the importance of keeping their guns clean for peak performance. For more information on these products, click the link in the description box and remember to subscribe.